wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding walkers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Able Life Space Saver 4200 packs down significantly smaller than most others, making it easy to store almost anywhere. It's also light enough to lift with one hand, yet despite that can still support an impressive 400 pounds. It arrives ready to use and is available with an organizer pouch. However, the rear glides wear out quickly. At number 9, the Healthline Stand Assist can help people feel more independent thanks to a smart design that features non-slip grips at 2 levels. This helps you get up from a seated position on your own. It doubles as a toilet safety rail and offers 8 height settings, but the brakes can be difficult to reach. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Medline Freedom is suitable for extended periods out and about thanks to a well-padded seat that doubles as a lid for its storage compartment. It adjusts to fit users between 4 feet 11 and 6 feet 4 inches tall. It's easy to assemble and made from durable aluminum tubing. However, it only supports up to 250 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the HealthSmart Euro Style comes with a large tote that can go under the seat or be worn as a bag thanks to an included shoulder strap, making it great for running errands. It's available in 3 finishes, one of which is a vibrant purple. It includes a convenient cane holder and 8-inch front wheels, and there's plenty of space between the wheels. Moving up our list to number 6, offering stability, the Hugo Mobility Elite has a sturdy frame and a 300-pound weight capacity. Its ergonomic hand grips are encased in rubber that absorbs shocks, and it has a cushioned backrest for comfort when using it as a seat. The brakes can be adjusted as needed, and it sports reflectors for nighttime use. However, it won't fit in small trunks. Halfway up our list at number 5, those who need to carry a lot of stuff throughout the day might like the Nova Traveler 4900 because it has a large zippered pouch, a wire basket and a tray, all of which are removable. To accommodate most users, its handle height is adjustable from 33¼ to 37 inches. It comes in several colors with non-marring, all-terrain tires and a lifetime warranty on the frame. At number 4, the Hugo Mobility Sidekick collapses for storage with one swift pull-of-it seat strap and fits in most car trunks. It has a wide and contoured backrest for support when you get off your feet and large front wheels that roll easily over uneven ground. It features responsive brakes, ergonomic grips and illustrated assembly instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, thanks to lockable swiveling wheels, the Stander Easy Fold and Go is easy to maneuver around furniture and corners. It can stand on its own when collapsed and weighs just 8 pounds, so it's a highly portable option. It comes with comfortable padded handles, rear glides and a nylon accessories pouch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, minimizing the frame of the Drive Medical 10210-1 Deluxe for storage is easy thanks to a push-button mechanism that can be activated using your fingers, palms, or the sides of your hands. It collapses completely flat so it can be slipped under a bed and out of the way. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and traverses smoothly over carpet. The height is easy to adjust. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Nova Zoom is available in 7 colors, all of which but black have a shiny metallic finish. Its locking handbrakes are comfortable and reliable, so you'll feel secure even when walking down inclined surfaces. It comes in 4 sizes, with a pocket inside its storage pouch, and it locks into the folded position. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding walkers, or simply click beneath this video.